how to rank on Google search results. Now in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to rank your website or your products that are trying to market on Google search results. Now what is this going to do for you? This is going to help you get more traffic, and you know what, more traffic is equals to more sales, more visitors, and the more people are using your product, the more people are seeing your product, the more people are seeing your website, you are going to make sales, or have an audience that is able to listen to you. That's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to rank on Google search results. I'm going to show you example of my website, the keywords that I've been using to rank on Google search results, and how it has been helping me. So this video is packed with a lot of resources. So before we dive straight into the video, my name is Kingsley from Obinnar.com. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, because I drop videos here that is going to help you achieve what you want to achieve online as an entrepreneur. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So like I told you, in this video we are going to look at how to rank our website on Google search result. Now let me go to Google search now and show you some of the keywords that have already been ranking already on Google. Okay, so if you go to Google and say something like blogger e-commerce, I'm already ranking on that keyword. As you can see right here, how to create an e-commerce website on Blogger. I wrote this post few months ago, and it's already ranking on Google already. So you can open it and see that it's my website. Okay, it's Obinnar.com. So I've been able to do that, and I'm ranking on the page 1 of Google with that keyword. So that is fantastic. Now if you go to Google and type in platform to sell digital products in Nigeria, you're going to see that I'm ranking already for this keyword, which is huge. Yeah, so if you go to Google right now and search for platform to sell digital downloads online in Nigeria, like I just did right now, you're going to see that my website is ranking in page number 2 in the whole of Google search results. So this is what I want to show you exactly, and I have so many other keywords that I'm already ranking on Google for. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now these keywords are bringing me traffic every day to my website, and this is what is going to happen to your website if you follow the exact step I'm going to show you in this video. So this video is packed with a lot of information. Do not miss it. Watch till the end so that you get the value. So the first thing you need to do, right, is to do keyword research. Now if you see that I chose those keywords strategically, so I didn't just wake up and chose those keywords. So we need to do keyword research. Now there are many keyword research tools, but there's a keyword research tool that is offered for free by Google, and that is exactly what I use when I got started. Okay, so it's free of charge, and you can use it to search for keywords online. So you can just go to Google and say Google Keyword Planner 2. Okay, just say Google Keyword Planner 2, just something like this. Google Keyword Planner. So just say Google Keyword Planner and search for it. It's going to open up, as you can see right here, the second result. Use Google Keyword Planner. Just click on this. Okay. This first one is also good. Yeah, choose the right keyword with our research tool. Yeah, so once you click on it, it's going to take you to Google Ads. Okay, so if you don't have an account, it might ask you to create an account. Just create an account, and once you're here, just go to Keyword Planner, and it's going to take you to the tool. Now this is the tool we are going to use to create or to do our keyword research. Okay, so you need to know the exact keyword, know the amount of traffic it's getting, know whether if it's high or you have a high chance or a low chance of ranking with that keyword. Okay, so it's going to open up Google Ads. So if you don't have Google Ads account, it will ask you to create one. Don't worry, it's very simple. Just follow the prompt and you can create one. Now once you've created one, just click on this tool like I just showed you. It's going to pull it up. So now I want to discover new keywords, so just click on this one. discover new keyword. Now we want to search for the keyword right here. So let me start with something, that is very broad, like something like make money online. So this is how I do my keyword research. Then for the location, I want to make this all location. You can decide to do country specific here, but I'll cancel this right now and do all location. Now once I hit save, and here I'll just click on get results. Now what it's going to do is going to try check the whole of Google and show me a lot of keywords. As you can see right here, we have a lot of keywords already. Okay, there are a lot of keywords right here. As you can see, earn money, this has 100k to 1 million searches, but the probability of us ranking on this keyword is high, so it has a high competition. So what you want to do right now, if you are having a new website, we want to look for keyword that has a low competition or a medium competition, and you want to make sure that if you want to use AdSense or your blog or your website, you want to be looking at this RPM, or what is it called, this bid. Okay, so you want a keyword that has a good amount of bid. You don't want a keyword with zero bids, okay, because advertisers are not ready to pay for to advertise their product on such kind of website. So as you can see right here, it brings a lot of suggestion for us. So now we just need to check more suggestions. So right now, let me check this business opportunities and cancel this make money online and check for only business opportunity. Once I hit on search, now it's going to try to populate that. Now as you can see, we have fantastic keywords right now. We have business opportunities that has 10k to 100k searches per month, and the competition is low, and it has 0 to 23 cents to around $33.33. Now this is huge. This is a very fantastic keyword to rank for. As you can see, I just did this now, and I'm even super excited that I did it, because this is a very fantastic keyword to rank for. So if you have a blog that is related to this niche, if you're going to write this now, you might get opportunity to rank on Google page 1, and you can get some traffic from it. This word-based stuff again has the same amount of searches, and it's low, and it has some good amount of page bids as well. So this is how you do your keyword research. As you can see, you can use this tool to research for as many keywords as you want. Now let's say I'm interested in this first keyword. I'll just click on it and copy it. Okay, so now I'll try to go to Google and paste that keyword to see the kind of websites that are ranking on the that are ranking already for it. Now as you can see, we pasted it, and we are seeing that good amount of websites with high authorities are ranking on it. So now all we need to do right now is to now go to step 2. And now what is step 2? Step 2 is create content. Now you need to create content for this keyword. You have seen the keyword, now you need to make your own content. Okay, so how do you make content? So it's either you have a WordPress website or anywhere you have your blog up and running, but I'll advise you to use WordPress because it has a lot of customizations. Now create content. So just go to your website, go to post, and try to create content tailored to that keyword. Now if you don't know how to do that, you can tell me in the comment section, and I can show you exactly how to create a well detailed content that is going to target a specific keyword. Now if you want that kind of video, tell me in the comment section and I'll make the video for you. So once you're there already, now once you've gotten the keyword, we can create content for it. Now you can open this website to see the kind of content they have written and get an idea from it. Don't copy and paste, because Google does not like that. Okay, so if you copy and paste, you are not going to rank. Okay, create your own content, a new content, add value to your content. Okay, but you can get idea, can open all these pages to get ideas from them. Now the next thing you need to do right now is to submit your sitemap and create a search console account. So now we have created our content, we have published our content. Now we need to go to Google Search Console. So go to Google and type Search Console. So type in search console and it's going to bring up search console. So if you don't have an account, create an account on Google Search Console. It's very important. Create an account and link your website on it. Now once you've done that, you need to submit your site XML sitemap. Now how will you do that? You have a tool. Just come to Google and say how to generate an XML sitemap for my, if your website is on WordPress, say WordPress. If it's on Blogger, say Blogger WordPress website. Now once you click on it, you're going to see how to do that. You're going to see what is an XML and how to create it. Just read any of this content and they are going to guide you on how to create your XML sitemap. And there's also a WordPress plugin that can help you generate that. As you can see here, you can check that out as well. So once you've done that, you've created a Google Search Console account, you have generated your XML sitemap, submit your sitemap on Google Search Console. So it's there already. So I have an account already on Google Search Console, so I don't want to create another account. So just submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. Okay, this is my Search Console account. Okay, so this is my Search Console account for my website. So you can just come here, this sitemaps, as you can see, sitemaps right here. Click on it, and this is the sitemap I've submitted for my website. You can just click on this place now and submit the sitemap that you just generated for your own WordPress website. Very simple. Now the next thing we need to do is to promote the content. Now we have done our research, we've written the content, we have submitted sitemap, and we have created Search Console account. We need to promote the contents. Promote it on your social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. Push it, because to rank on Google needs to know that your content is good enough, and those promotions they are doing are going to tell Google that okay, this content is good enough to rank. Google is going to analyze it and try to rank it on their own search result on the page 1 of Google, or other pages. Now if you're going to write your content, make sure your content is more than 500 words. Make sure you're writing something close to 1,000, 2,000. Now depending on what your competitors are writing, if they write 2,000, you should write 3,000. You should write 2,500. Make sure to write more than what they have written and provide more value. Go in depth in your content. Okay, this is how you're going to rank on search result. Now the last one here is patience. Now after you have done this, you need to give it time. You need to allow Google to crawl your website now, so that you're going to rank, because this is not going to happen overnight. So you need to be patient enough to allow Google to crawl your website. Now the bonus tip I have for you is that you need to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel, because I'm dropping videos to show you things and how you can make money online, e-commerce, and a whole lot of other stuff that is going to help you. So make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon beside it so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So if there's any video you want me to do for you specially, or you just all I want you to do right now is to go to the comment section and tell me, and I'll consider making that video for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.